Often when I go to site and I'm being asked questions about a certain lubrication problem or equipment problem, I always go back to the same starting point, which is, can I see the lab analysis? And so many times that's either not available, no one knows where it is, no one's looked at it. You bring it out, and quite often you're going to see glaring oversights. And usually during this investigation, you're going to find that they're missing key tests. The tests that they're doing are the incorrect tests, and the results they have are not referenced against any baselines, or the baselines that they're using are not their actual baselines, but those from a spec sheet. So these are really simple things to get in control of very quickly that have transformational characteristics to your program. The tests you should be doing are going to vary according to the type of equipment that you're lubricating and the lubricant application. And those are going to be based on a combination of the equipment specifications that you have to be within and the industry standard guidelines, like including ASTM, which would define the standards that you have to be within for a certain application.